Last video I told you guys that I got new car parts. Here they are. Last chance to guess. Last chance to guess. Screw it, let's reveal these suckers. This is a mod that I could not be more stoked about. The stock taillights on the STI, in my opinion, they just ain't it. They ain't it. After years and years of constant research, I have found that this style, hold on, the Spec D's, I don't know what they call them, read it out. That's it for me. This is it. This is what I've been looking for in a taillight. I'm just so stoked. If you guys know or you don't know, I have an addiction to Marketplace, so I found these suckers on Marketplace for a very, very good deal. Full transparency, $200 for the set. They better work. I don't know, he said they worked. I took his word for it. He sent me a video. I said, that's nice, that's a good video. Here's a kicker to all this. I've never installed taillights before. I'm gonna do this like no experience, because sometimes in life you just want to try things, you know? You want to try things that you have no experience in. Even though it's a little uncomfortable, you just want to dive in, man. Never watched a video on it to get prepped or anything like that. It should just tickle you in the right way to try new things. Just saying. All right, first step I would assume is moving this liner out of the way to try to get to the something, I don't know. Let me see if there's like a clip right here that I need to put the camera down for a second. All right, just to show you guys some of the progress. This was like right here, so I pulled that off of right there, and then this was clipped onto that, so I pulled that off of that. Looks like it's all free, and it looks like I need some type of I might need like a wrench or something to take this off. Looks fairly tiny, so let's find a wrench to get this, that, and that off. And I think that's it. I'm not sure, I don't want to speak too soon. All right, I got those suckers off. They're chilling right there. Now, in theory, I would assume this sucker should just like come off, and it did. That's, wow. Can't believe I actually got that on camera. Let me actually try to wiggle this out, because I assume that's how it's gonna, I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. I totally forgot I could just use my tripod for this. Look at that. It's out. All right, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, because that's what this channel is. It's all honesty. Driver's side headlight is in terrible, terrible condition. So you're definitely not a long-term solution. For the price, I'm gonna clean it down. I'm gonna see what I can do, run it for a while, but definitely at some point, we're going to get a new set of these. It's just, I'm on a budget right now, you know. This is the budget build STI. The only one apparently on YouTube, because all these STI folk have all this money for some reason. Let's work on the passenger side. Trying to take off this trunk lining is the biggest bitch and a half. Again, honesty is my like brand. I didn't even care to put the trunk lining on the driver's side, so I mean the right way. So I'll probably do that with the passenger side too, just because I'm a shortcut kind of guy. I don't know. the way I struggled trying to put that trunk lining back on. That was it. That was the only hard part. I'm sure if I watched a tutorial or something, I would have been it would have been a lot easier. But I wanted to do it my way, the hard way. I only like it the hard way. I only like it rough. Big reveal time. Ready? All right, let's get the car turned on and see how they look. Now that I have my keys, let's try this again. The hazards work, but that side doesn't really fully work. I'm stressing out, guys. I'm stressing out. Something is definitely wrong here. Side should be on right now, running like that one. But I'm gonna lose my shit. See if it at least will like turn on if I brake. I don't know. I'm gonna look back at this video right now and see if it turned on. Guys, I'm like really disappointed. I asked this guy 3 times if these worked. Okay, well, looking back at the video, it does brake. The turning signal works. It just doesn't run like how it's supposed to like normally be on, just chilling. It's not doing that. And I don't really know what that issue is. I'm gonna spend some time on ChatGPT, ask some friends, post it on my Instagram, figure out what I need to do, because I'm just hoping that I didn't pick up a dud. They were already in pretty ugly condition as is. So on top of that, it not working the way it's supposed to is really upsetting me, to the point where I might message this dude and be like, yo, what the fuck? What's up? This video did not go as planned, but I'll figure something out. I'll figure a solution out. Have the car clean next time, and thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any solution to that. Like I said, the only issue is that this side is not kind of running when it's just chilling. It's off for some weird reason. So if you know the solution to that, let me know.